Join me as we dive into how to use tab stops in Google Docs. Open up your Google Docs containing the document you want to use the tab stop in. Go to the Views tab at the top of the screen. Select or click on Show Ruler. Now the ruler has been shown at the top of the page. To apply tab stops to one line, you move your cursor to the beginning of the line, you click on it and you can see the cursor is there. To apply it to all pages, you select all the page or you use your Ctrl A to select all. Once this is done, you click on the first option here. You can right click on it, then you select Add Left Tab Stop. You go to the middle of the page, you click on it and select Add Center Tab Stop. While at the end of the page, you right click and select Add Right Tab Stops. You can see the icons on them. Now you move your mouse to the beginning of the line. Now press the tab key on your keyboard. You can see that it has moved to the left tab stop. When you press it again, it moves to the center. You can click on it and adjust it to how you want. So that is how to use the tab stops in Google Docs. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Bye guys.